Here are two Janitrol condensing units. It's safe, they're heat pumps. That one is a Janitrol. Model number, this is actually a Goodman. Model CK30-1A, serial 990454956. It says central cooling, but you never know what they are. Nice install. It's pretty weird. Let me take a peek. It's a straight cool unit. Next one. This one I have no idea of telling, but it's a good old Janitrol. A nice install. Model number CE60-1FB 5-ton. Serial number 9306, 1993 model. Heat pump. That's a heat pump, so that one's a heat pump. Serial number 930606508. So 1993 Janitrol heat pump and the 1999 Goodman heat pump. Over. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Over and out.